In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Exness mobile app. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom and you want to tap on the trade button. And from here, you want to select whatever you want to trade. So I'm just going to tap on something completely random over here. For example, I'm going to do, let's just do a BTC at the top. And then here, of course, whenever you've selected whatever you want to buy and sell, as you can see at the bottom, you have the buy and sell buttons. Now, if you tap on the buy button, it's going to open up kind of like this. So this is the default view. But if you kind of slide this up, or if you tap on that settings button next to regular, you'll be able to see more, okay? Now, to buy, you'll be able to buy market, limit, or stop. What this means basically is market, it's just a market order where it buys at the current price. And then for limit, it's a limit order where it buys at the price you actually set. And then you also have the stop order, which is like a stop order. You likely know what it is if you're looking to actually trade. Now, over here, as you can see, you can also set the volume. So the volume is how much you actually want to purchase. And then you can set take profits and stop losses either in price, USD, profit in percentages, or pips. And then you can just tap on where it says confirm buy order at the bottom right, and you'll be able to buy that way. If you want to sell, it's the same thing. Tap on the sell button bottom left, and from here you also have market, limit, and stop orders. And then here you can select your price, take profit, stop loss if you wanna, and tap on confirm sell, and it's going to go ahead and sell. So that's how to buy and sell in the Exness app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.